Yo! Good morning, family. Welcome in. Today is Thursday. We got one more day of the week, one day to pass these accounts, hopefully. Obviously, I'm not sure fully because of the way that we lost money on Monday, but I think we're right there. If we make the normal $36.70 today, I think is the goal, $3,670, we should have enough to pass the accounts. We actually need exactly 36.73. So I'm going to get us over 9K, and we're going to see if we have enough. Work, good morning, King. Yes, sir, we're early. We're trying to get in here early, a couple of minutes, so we don't have to be so rushy on the market open. Appreciate y'all stopping by, showing love as always. Pobby, good morning, King. Come on. Let's get it, let's get it, let's go, family. May this day be blessed, dog, and the opportunity you take be blessed. I love it, Work. Love the energy, King. You still haven't taken any trades this week? Look at this market, man. Wild. Monday high. No, this wasn't Monday. This was Friday. Monday, we actually ended up ripping up to the... right, because Tuesday was the 4th. Wednesday was the 5th. No, today's the 5th of Thursday. So where's the Monday high? Monday high was, so Tuesday was high of the week, but Monday high was at this 959s. Morning, Danielle. No work, no trades work. It's a crazy discipline this week, King. I like that. Not seeing any side, not taking it. Good morning, Queen. Welcome in. Yeah, we're a little early today, trying to stay in here. Show some love with the thumbs up for Todd. Let's go, little Bexy. Appreciate you for showing love early. Keeping the energy high. Family. Look at this, 707 to the 169s, a 460 point range. Tells me opportunities on. 460 point range, continuation from yesterday's sell-off. We bought some energy back up towards that power hour. Held overnight highs. Tried to break through again, rejected. Found some lower lows. Let's take a look at our daily chart. Get aligned with the bigger time frame here. Get aligned with the bigger time frame. Officially sweeping through that low. Feels like we're going to be bearish. At least targeting the 640s. Maybe even this liquidity down here at the 160s. So we're into the 24,000s now, family. This is insane. I would say we're at least targeting towards this lower liquidity, though. Towards these 460s. Of course, we could bounce, so... that's what the daily chart's telling me. What's the hourly chart saying? Biggest time frame is bearish. Hourly time frame. Also kind of bearish. I don't love opening up at the lows just because it's a weird spot to bounce. Like those 620s feel like they're a possibility. We're still quite a ways from that in a way, but not really 80 points, 87 points. So... everything's kind of bearish. We might get a retest towards these prices before the sell-off, but I think we're going to be bearish, family. That's what I'm seeing there. It's kind of what I'm seeing there. I'm already done for the day. I caught those shorts during London. Oh, I love that, Queen. Let's fucking go, Danny. Way to get in early, get that participation. The London was selling. W Danny for sure. Good morning, Brom. Welcome in, King. Poppy, good morning. Coop. Our man, our myth, our doctor. Welcome in, brother. 130 away from passing my TPT account, but I need one more day, so that's for tomorrow. Up 340 on my funded, so I'm very happy. Danny, having a fantastic week. Rebounding from the week you had before. I love it. Glad your energy's high. I'm glad you're trading well. Super proud of you, Queen. Morning, let's make it happen today. Santiago, let's go, King. Welcome in. Let's stay focused. Oh, where are we getting at market open here? I don't love that we're already opening towards these lows. It feels like we're going to get like a relief bounce, which wouldn't be unreasonable. Monday high, or Tuesday high technically, was the 6th. Oh my God. 1,700 points away. 1,600 points from the week highs, how much we sold off. NASDAQ already down 1% today. It's a lot of blood in the streets, family. We're going to find a bounce eventually, or are we just going to keep continuing toward the lows? I don't know. Is this your last day to get these passed? It is, Danny. If we can make the 30, what do we need? 36.73. 36.73 exactly. Now, once I get that 36.73, it's going to be interesting to know if they're going to pass me or because I'm going to be a little bit over on each day. It's going to be like a 41 maybe percent. So they might ask me to make some more money. I hope not, but we're going to find out. Morning, I got an apartment, everyone, so no longer homeless in paradise. Hey, let's go, Dave. Got an apartment in the Thailand. Hope it's in stellar. Hope it's comfortable. Hope you're feeling good over there, man. Jealous you get to explore the world. It's the reason that we're trading. We're trading for the freedom. Welcome in, King. Let's get focused. We got 7 minutes till market open. Hourly charts bearish. Daily charts bearish. So, you know, it means we're kind of looking for shorts, but at the same time, we have sold off 1,600 points from the opening week high, or from Tuesday high, but Monday was pretty close. So almost just complete blood since the highs have been set. So now we got to be careful, cautious, patient, find the good setups. Find the good setups. I'm going to pull up TradingView real quick because I'm interested in seeing something. I'm interested. Kind of like having some extra time. And like you said, Dave, it's not so rushed when you have a little bit extra time to take some peeks at stuff. Yeah, this is insane. Just to watch, just to look at the selling here is caca. The last couple days have been insane, family. I really do think we could get a little bit of a relief bounce towards the highs here at open. I really, truly do. But we don't know what we don't know, right? Maybe a 50% correction before more down. It's not a bad idea, Danny. I think we're going to try to test this EMA is kind of what I'm seeing out on the hourly chart. Kind of testing this imbalance at like the 480s. 24,880s. Maybe we rally up into the VWAP. Something like that. Kind of what I see for open. Of course, this could get very nasty if we sweep through the lows here. We don't know what we don't know, but that's kind of what that's what I'm expecting. Let's see what we actually get though. See what the NASDAQ really has in sight for us today. Good morning, brother, and good morning, chat. Let's go, Pat. Good morning, King. Hope you're feeling well. Hope you're feeling stellar today. Got through those. Get the support going with those Apex. Get those in there. Either way, you're trading. Love having you, brother. The family's in. Let's not fade this bear trend. Premium for sales is $9.98. I like that, Pat. I mean, you're not wrong. Like I said, from Tuesday's high, we're down about 1,650 points, almost 1,700 points. So, not a bad idea. For some reason today, I'm feeling the opposite, though. Did 140 points yesterday on 5 micros after stream. Let's fucking go, Pat. King, that's one of my biggest trades in points-wise is 144. So, you got to feel stellar about that. You got Tradeify all set up, King? I hope so. I hope he does. I know he's still battling with the peoples. The support. Market opens here in 3.5 minutes, family. We'll see what we get. Who was the guy who you had the other day on live? Was that Pat? That was Maximilian, Max NQ, as his name is sometimes. He's in here pretty frequently, but not every day is he commenting. He's a good trader. I do want to have Pat on sometime soon, though, whenever he feels up to it. Let's see if we can get a sweep towards these lows, and then maybe I kind of want to see a little, and maybe we don't even take out the lows. But maybe we do. Got my accounts back, but they aren't set up yet. Set up in Tradeify yet. Glad you got them back, King. I saw that was an option, or that they were giving them back to people, so. Max, okay. Yeah, that was Max NQ, Dave. I'm stoked for you, Brom. Let's go, King. Hopefully no more Tradeify bullshit, but that was free money, so. 36.73, family. That's the goal for today. Oh. Good stretch. Get ready for this market. $3,673, and we will have Another set passed. Hopefully that's the idea. That's the way we walk out today. Again, I'm a little bit over the consistency by like 80 bucks, but on a 150, they should be like, come on, $80 and a $9,000 profit. Are you just gonna relax a little bit, Tradeify? So we're gonna see. We're gonna see how they treat me. I think you're right though, Pat. I think this is overall, it's hard to want to fade these bears. It's just kind of intimidating. It just is a little bit intimidating when all you've been seeing since Tuesday. Monday was a rally day. We rallied on Monday, but ever since Tuesday, that same Monday high pretty much, we've sold off nearly 1,650 points. That is insanity. Just absolutely wild. Did you guys see that Apex also nerfed gold trading because of the volatility? They don't want you trading it on there either. Oh my God. Asia's session had another 200-point sell-off, 250-point sell-off in Asia. Oh, my word. Kind of disgusting. Tyler just messaged Tradeify in their Discord. They will have a chart for overages for each account size. Just ask. I mean, I'm in there, so I might be able to just see it if someone's ever asked. Let me see if I can pull that up real quick. Quick. Where are you asking? Contact support, chat no questions, chat. Which chat like group do you ask in? Because I can just search it up. Gold is doing crazy. Gold is going crazy. Just so much liquidity. Today's the day to pass some 150K's. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, Corey. Come on, King. We do this together. We walk over the finish line. Chat questions, I guess. I will ask in there then, King. Today is the day, Corey. Market opens up here in 20 seconds. Let's get focused, family. We need 3670. Turn trade mode on. It's real. It's serious. Let's find our opportunities. Good morning, folks and folkettes. Saul Sedelic, good morning, my man. Mad Max, welcome in, King. Teamwork makes the dream work. Absolutely. 1,000%, Corey. Here we go. Here we go. Kind of want to try along here. I really try to kind of. Obviously, I'm not going to be first and early, but that's kind of what I see. Let's see what happens at the sweep of the lows here. And there's new lows in the NASDAQ, stretching down below the 700 whole number. 620s is a spot where we could find some bounce. Opening print price getting heavy already, family. Nice little wick, though. Strong little wick. Do we get back up above these 30s? Calling an instant dump. No reason for it. I love it, Sauce. Low tap for sure. Morning, Kings. Let's go. Let's go, Matrix. Welcome in, King. Definitely a low sweep right there. I feel like we might be finding some support. If we push back up and around this opening print price, I'm going to be looking longs, at least for a rotation. Stuck below the EMA. We can't get in yet. I don't see the setup yet. No solid structure at this moment, but I do think that is the direction that we're going to be heading for at least a little bit today. Again, we're down 1,600 points, family, from Tuesday's high. So maybe we continue lower. I mean, again, if we look at the daily hourly chart, the next clean liquidity is kind of this previous spot down here at the 620, 612s. Obviously, we have this 410 spot. I don't even know what reason we had this incredible volatility, but that seems way down there. 24,150s. Right now, we're at the 680s. I don't know, family. Breaking through the lows again. Patience. Patience is what gets us paid, Kings, Queens, and everybody. Wait for the 5 to close. Yes, absolutely, Danny. Good patience. Just wait for the 5 to get us the better information. King, missed you. Missed you too, Motez. Welcome in, King. What's good? Today we're trying to get through these last little funded bits. Last little bit. 3673 is what we need in the accounts to pass. Strong liquidity bounce at the 650s. Here we go. NASDAQ looks like it kind of wants to here. Am I going to get tricked if I try to get in here? I'm going to try it, family. I really am. I'm trying along here.
Order filled.
Got to see a strong closure, though. Got to see a strong closure. That's not what I wanted to see. Did not want to be back below the EMA there. I wanted a nice closure at these new lows where I'm going to have my stops. Damn. Ugly. Ugly, NASDAQ. Show me some extension up through there now. I got to see this continue to the high side. Got to get through these lows. I mean, this previous swing high at these 77s. Don't want to see any wicks. Sell 10 limit would be our TP if we can get there. Don't want another wick at this EMA though. It's not ideal. They're flashing it for us. Can we actually get a strong closure? It's really not the great reaction that I wanted to see from these longs at this price. They should get excited if it's going to be real. Instead, it feels like they're going to give it up. Get up through there, NASDAQ. Looking for an 820s push. Got to get a closure through this flat price at the 780s. Definitely got to break through these wicks now. Get up through there now. Go ahead, Queen. Nobody's upset with you. Go. Flat price is going to be the obvious fear spot. Can't put our break even on yet. It's very susceptible still. Got to break through these wicks, though. Here we go. Show me some extension now. Through that flat price. There we go. Putting break evens on. Stop losses in at break even. Can we get up through those 20s? Looking for a small relief to that previous high. Get up there. Oh, get up there. Into those 800s. Big spot at the 800s. We know that. Show me some extension through those 800s. Get there. Touched it.
Order filled.
Woo! 2.5 minutes, baby. Come on. All right. Well, unfortunately, we need $64 to get over the finish. Come on, family. Let's go. Good morning, Shiro. Welcome in, King. Just recovered 60-50 from my losses yesterday. I love it, Motaz. Great trade. I'm short. Be careful, Pat. Corey, let's go. Way to show love. What a trade. Appreciate it, Brom. Come on, kings, queens, everybody. Let's get it. What a beautiful start to the trade there. We need $63. So we're going micros. I'm turning trade mode off here officially. Trade mode off on my minis. No more. And we're into micros. 90 points in 3 minutes. Wow. Wow. Now we just need one little micro trade. I'm going to take a pullback here on this. Pull my trade mode up. I'm going to try one try down here. I don't need two, but I'm going to try one. Actually, I'm going to go two. We need 60 points with 2 micros at the 67s. Can we get a fill back at this EMA? I still like this direction. If we end up rejecting all the way through, I will have a clear stop on this. But we're just looking for a little tap and go on this EMA. That was wild. Drop some likes, 5-minute workday. Come on, Corey. Drop some love in the like button there, family. Little 5-minute workday easy. Volatility been so wild. It really has, Queen. That's why we're already rejecting back to the 8s now. Trying to find some stability at this EMA. I'm trying to get an entry. I wanted to get a little tap and go before we get the push. Can we get a little bit of a love before we get the push? Right now, be the candle that taps us. Be the candle that taps us and goes.
Order filled.
All right, now I got to hold this EMA now. I need 60 points with 2 contracts. What is that? Oh my God, I'm already over.
Order filled.
68. Oh. I fucked up. I didn't want to get this to be too much. I didn't want it to be too much, family. You're about to make me act up with trades like that. Sausadelic, come on. That was $18,000 in 3 minutes. Where else could you do it? Where else could you do it? Guys, that was an A-plus pullback, by the way. If you missed this initial long candle, rejection into the EMA is a classic golden opportunity. That's another 70 points you could have just pocketed. Today's the day. Today is the day for money, family. SMT and breaker touch, A+. Up, let's go, Motez. Up 700, done for the day. Accounts locked. As Matrix. Everybody's eating now. Look at the pullback into this EMA price. Nearly perfectly bottom ticked it. Rides it up now. It's another 100-point entry. 120 points from our entry right here. You can't make this shit up. Bang, I have passed my 150K's by 2. Let's fucking go. We did it together, Corey. Come on, baby. So we were going to do it. Now we did. Now we done. Hey, Ty, nice trade. Congrats. Velamira, thank you so much, Queen. Love the support. Good morning. Hope you're feeling well. Doing great. Next Friday, I may try an account. Absolutely, Saucy. Teamwork makes the dream work. Red folder in 20 minutes. Be careful. I love it. Keeping us aligned. Way to be, Matrix. Got red folder events in 20 minutes. Obviously, we still have the government shut down, so everything's not guaranteed. But, well, I need $4. Do we just mark it into a long here? Now that we swept through the highs here, it's a little bit more scary. I need 2 points in an MNQ. I need 2 MNQ points. There's 37 people watching, family. If you are finding any value in today's stream, just in this community, in the energy, show some likes to the love button. Let's get that 30 like goal smashed. We've been crushing it every single day since we started the new goal, family, so I appreciate every single one of y'all. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. We need 2 points in the MNQs to get over our buffer at 159. And then we'll know if we passed or not. And we might have to trade a little bit tomorrow. I'm going to be a little upset if we have to trade tomorrow. We'll see. King, I see you're funded. We're almost there. I appreciate it, Valmir. We're almost there, Queen. I need 2 points. Not there till we're there, but it feels like it. You going in with 2 minis or on this funded too? Yeah. Absolutely, Queen. I'm going to treat it just like I've been treating this. Think about how much it's just... I'm going to treat it just like I've been treating it. Nothing's going to be different. Nothing's going to be different. I'm going to treat it just like the same. No fear, confidence, take good setups with size, let the market play out. Right now, volatility's paying, so Dunka. Congrats on your success today, Danny. Absolutely, Sauce. Absolutely. Well, the clear moves have been played. I still maybe think we can get an EMA touch and go, but I don't know. Might just wait for our first 15 minutes to get aligned. And then once our 15 minutes are in, you can get a picture. Guys, what did I say? I thought we were going to get a little relief bounce here at the open. And surely, from that opening print range, we're already up, 240 points. It doesn't look like it because it's only 9 candles, but that's the volatility we've been getting lately. So we need 2 points with 1 micro. I don't need 5. I'm just going to go 1. And we just need 2 points. Uno, dos. That's it. Uno, dos. Where's the VWAP at? Oh, we're already at VWAP. Is that real? Yeah, guys. Wow. What a pull into the VWAP. News in, what'd you say, 45? So, a few minutes already. Pulled up into the VWAP from the 650s up into the 929s, so 270 points, and now we're sitting at the VWAP battle price, so be careful if you haven't gotten in any trade yet, family. Anyone have New Year's resolution that they are hanging on to still? I hope y'all are still giving your goals your effort and focus. We're long-term goal seekers here. We don't just get in with a little goal and get out. Pulling into this EMA, kind of interested to try it just for 2 points of a long. Again, I don't need much. But I don't like that we tapped the VWAP. That's what's scaring me here. It's kind of against my ideas as a human being. Nope. Well, I lied. That was a retest of the EMA, and now we're right back into the VWAP. Ty, I don't believe I heard yours for the year. My goals are fairly what they've always been. I just try to take care of myself every day, try to be right, fit, work out. I try to work out 80 to 90% of the days. I want to keep putting energy into my relationships with my people I care about. And then my actual goals for the year is to have 10K subs on YouTube, baby, and have 100K in payout profits. So after expenses, so after I pay for all my hedge or prop firm expenses, after, you know, evaluations and all the costs, and after taxes, I want to have 100K in the bank profit of this year. So 10K subs, 100K in profits from payouts, and strong relationships and good health. Those are my goals, baby. Go in 1 micro only. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, King. We're going to try. W Day, brother. Everyone keep on smashing the like button. 30 likes is the goal, brothers and sisters. Let's go work. 30 likes is the goal, family. There's already 38 of y'all watching. If everyone shows some like to the love button, we can go ahead and crush that goal today. 10K is the easiest out of all of those. 10K subs is the easiest. It's out there, isn't it? It's a big goal, but just requires, like everything else, consistency. Like everything else, just requires consistency. Keep showing up. EMA, we're pulling back up into the VWAP again. Nice goals. Thank you, Queen. 100K is a given. I love it. That's the feeling. 100K in profit after expenses and taxes. 10K subs. Healthy relationships with my loved ones. And keeping my body fit and healthy. Healthy traders are profitable traders. More and more people are showing up to the stream, so I'm sure you'll get there. It's only a matter of time, right, Queen? Just keep doing what we're doing. Keep showing up. Keep getting better at trading. At the end of the day, that's the #1 goal. Get better at trading and document the process. That's the only reason we're doing these. Obviously, now we're connecting with everybody, and that's been my new favorite part. I didn't really expect that. When I started streaming, I didn't expect to have so many good connections with you guys and for it to feel so special. I kind of was just wanting to document the process from being an average lad to being a trader, because I know a lot of us are in that same goal and same journey, so that was the goal. That was the thing to document. And now I have a bunch of friendships and connections. So I love you guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Pulled up into the EMA now. Over here on the hourly chart. Tapped into it. Strong candle. Do we get continuation through that? Or is that going to be the resistance? It's tough to know because we're at the VWAP here. So that's why I'm hesitating just marketing in. Locked out. Last base hit up 494. We'll be requesting a 4K payout with a 4K buffer. Drop the W's for GPT. He's been talking about how steady he's been. There it is. Consistency, discipline, taking his trade, walking away if it's red or green. Cross the finish line with a 4K buffer and now a 4K payout. Fantastic trading, GPT. Let's fucking go, King. Love seeing it. Good morning, TLR. He's back to funded. We're in there, baby. We're back. We need $4, so I hate celebrating yet because we don't know. Also, I'm also a little bit fearful because we made $70 over the buffer Monday or Tuesday, 80 over the buffer yesterday, and now 70 over the buffer today. So I hope that they let me be consistent with that and pass us, but we're going to find out. 50% correction from the London move looks like it's more and more. 50% from the London. I got to figure that out. Love the energy. Love you, brother. GTD guest coming soon. Absolutely. Love the energy too, Motez. Thanks for stopping by. Noah showing love. 50% from the Asia. Where is that, Queen? It does feel like we're trying to rally out of here, huh? Where do we get to? I don't know. Way to show love to GPT, family. I love it. Congratulations on the trading and congrats on the payout, King. Use the fib. Nice, great job, GPT. That's healthy buffer is key. That is a strong, nice buffer. I respect that a lot. In the drawing tool, use the fib. Use the fib. Fibonacci for what? Oh, from London. What's the London high? What's the London high? Let me take a look. London high to London low. Is that real? London high is all the way up at the 124s. Oh, wait. 25,124. Yeah, it is. 25,124. This is the London high to the London low, which is what? 24,980s. So, Danny, you think we're going to pull back into 50% of this? So you think we go get this line here? The 25,000 whole number? Or am I doing this incorrectly? 25,000 whole number is 50% of the London. No, all the way down. From the London high all the way down. Got you. Oop. To this low. So yeah, we already smashed 50%, if that's what you're talking about. If I did that correctly. London high to New York low. Is that correct? 706s. All right, we smashed that 50% too. That was 900. That makes the whole number around the 9s. Fibonacci's are weird. I never understood like which ranges. Like I don't get the people that I don't get what decides this high instead of this high, or what decides this low instead of this low. Like it's just interesting to me because I know, like I said, everyone has their own strategies. I just find it so interesting how it is like that. But family, our 15-minute range is in. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this so I can stay visually clear. Get my 15-minute range drawn up. Text, shapes, rectangles. Trying to hold at the top of the 15-minute range. Obviously, we're finding some resistance at the VWAP here. It kind of makes me feel like we're going to get a little rejection. I always do 0 at the bottom, but the lines stay the same if you only look for the 50% move. I always do 0 at the bottom, but the lines stay the same if you only look for 50% moves. 50% is the golden target, huh? But like Fibonacci for this New York session, right? 50% of the range is back towards these 800s. Interesting. 13 more family. Keep on showing love to the stream, family. Show some likes to the love button, family. There's 35 of y'all watching. Our goal is 30 per stream. If everybody shows some support and shows a little tap in, we can crush our goal. Nasdaq's trying to break over this VWAP in the top of the 15-minute range. We're finding a little bit of resistance. A little bit of resistance up here. Can we actually get a carry closure through and carry? EMA has to curl through if we're going to. This is 100% of the New York range. You could use the line as support and resistance for sure. It does seem to respect them. It really does. So it's interesting to look at. Excuse me. It does seem to respect them. Pushing up through now. Are we going to get a closure through this VWAP? Feels like it wants to. Breaking through the top of the 15-minute range. EMA is trying to curl. Are we going to get a closure? Volume doesn't really indicate that we're going to get a reversal here. If we do get this closure, we could continue higher. If we break back inside, well, then we got to be a little bit more patient. All right, King, I'm going to head out. Wish the best on the last $4. We'll check on your video again later. I appreciate it, Matrix. Congrats on the 700 lockout day, King. Take it easy, brother. Take it easy, King. It was you that made the 700, right? I think it was. Got a closure. Kind of weak. Swept through the top of the 15-minute range. Breaking back into the VWAP now. Not really a strong closure that you wanted to see. Yes, I did. For like in 5 seconds. LOL. What a weird payday, huh? Glad you made the money, King. Yeah, I mean, this is what we were afraid of. At the top of the VWAP, in the top of the 15-minute range, we did get a sweep, but if you can't get continuation through there, then you can kind of expect a potential, at least chopping in the zone or a possible reversal. 800 feels like they kind of want to see it. I feel like they kind of want to see a little 800 flash here. Hey, guys, these are the days to get paid. Like, this whole week has been incredibly volatile. Offering decent opportunities all the way through. All we had to do was show up, be consistent, trust our setups, let our experience tell us what to do, have faith in probability playing out. Stuck below the VWAP is interesting here. Kind of think I could take a little scalp short. I think, but I do not know. I think. I like these days so much. Better than those Chop City days where it's just barcoding. So hard to read barcoding days. 100%, Danny. Right now, we're starting to go sideways after that wild volatility that we got. Makes me think I got to just join along. If we get back above VWAP, I will. If we keep rejecting it. I traded because I was mad. I hesitated on longs earlier. Sorry to hear it, King. It's not what I wanted to see right there, Dave. Understandable, though. You missed the excitement. It's easy to want to get into it, but you got to limit that tilt. That's the killer right there. Trust that you'll get another setup. Trust that you'll get a better possibility, better entry. If we miss the move, that's okay. All at the end of the day, that's just protecting your accounts. But tilting is not protecting the accounts, right? But you know all this. You're right there, King. Past 3 accounts. Wish I had my other 2. Let's fucking go, Brahm. Come on, King. Proud of you. Good trading. Way to be patient. Chris, hello, guys. Hope you're all winning. Appreciate you stopping by, showing love, Chris. Hope you're winning as well, my man. We are doing well here. Hope everybody is. Hey, Ty, what's your go-to cheat snack or food? My go-to cheat food? Probably a pizza. If it's like a real thing that I just want to indulge in, I'll have a nice pizza. If it's like a snack, I don't really snack a lot. I mean, I don't. My snacks are granola bars, yogurt, fruit, pistachios, and popcorn. Those are my snacks. At night, my little like dessert is I'll have a bag of popcorn. It's like one of those like half-size bags. I love it. I love it. Don't say pizza right now. Sausadelic nose. Ooh. A little 14-incher. Light cheese well done. Woo. Crispy on the Roni. Great to hear. Way to be kings and queens. Let's go, Chris. Love the energy, man. Healthy dude. That's what I like. It's what I like. I've made my taste buds prefer it. I just have made them love it. So now they don't even like anything else. Pulled up into these 840s where we had that initial pull into the EMA, found the reaction from. EMA is now, as you can see, curling below VWAP. Doesn't necessarily indicate continuation. We could get the sellers trying to bring this back towards these 8s. There they go. There they go. It's so funny I need 2 points and I'm nervous to hit the button. Is that so funny to you guys? I'm nervous for $4 here. I hate it. Like, I don't like it. Let's try it. I just feel like we could wick out. It's just funny. I hate it. And I don't want to be too over either. Oh. I love chips, but don't have it often. Chips are dangerous, Queen. That's a great little snack that is so easy to eat too much of. They're coming back into the 800s. Have you made any pizzas recently? TLR, I have been off my pizza game. The girl I've been hanging out with, too, she was so sweet. For Christmas, she got me a scale because when I tried making pizza with her, we struggled to, like, know the actual weight. Because, like, when you're making a good dough, you weigh out your ingredients. You weigh out your flour in grams, and you weigh out your water and everything. And so she got me a scale. And, yeah, I've been meaning to use it and actually, like, measure out the dough and make a proper dough with the scale. So I haven't done it yet, but I want to. I really do. I really enjoy making them. I'm on a smoothie diet. From mentioned pizza, I am starving. Haha. Smoothie diet is crazy. Good for you, King. Love the health. But yeah, pizza is just addictive. Everyone, no matter who you are, you want a slice of pie. You know what I'm saying? I've lost 8.6% of my body weight since the middle of December, Ty. Holy shit. Let's fucking go, Saucy. Drop a W for the man getting healthy, getting right. Showing an example to his son, being a healthy man. Oh, for sure. That's why I only have it like once a couple of months. Great. Hey, you passed. Maxie, we need $4. We need 2 points with 1 micro. So not yet, but technically close. Also, there's no guarantee that I'm going to be passed tomorrow. They might make me, like, make some more because I've been over the buffer by a little bit. So I'm like, I don't want to celebrate it yet, but it feels like I'm there. Sounds like a keeper, very thoughtful. It was very thoughtful. She is incredibly sweet. Like, she's so nice. It's crazy. Put a 1 micro limit order in at the top of the 5-minute close and put a 1 limit sell order 3 points above. Such an 800 and 803. I don't mind that idea. Freaks me out trying to be a counter trend hero when I'm only needing a couple points, though. It does feel like these 8s are going to hold, though. Malachi, Sean, question mark. What's up, King? Malik, Michaela, am I saying that wrong? Next week, you'll have a past batch. Speak it into existence. And take it slow. Let's go, Maximilian. 100%. Take it slow. Take it easy. Don't need to rush into nothing crazy. How you doing, King? How your accounts looking, Maxie? Well done. Let's go, Chris. How your accounts looking, Max? Are we trying to hop on stream tomorrow? Is we gonna try to run it up again, King? Man, tomorrow's going to be interesting if we do have some fundeds. I feel like tomorrow we have a chance to make some money. Up 2K on the XFA. Hey, that's a payday coming your way, brother. That's a payday coming your way. Malakation. I like that. Malakation, welcome in then, King. Appreciate you for being here, showing love as usual. Sweeping down below, now into the 760s. Not tomorrow, I can't. Maybe next week. All right, Maxie. I like that. We'll see what happens. Look at this hourly candle inverting a lot of this move now. We rejected the VWAP. That was the indication, right? Now coming up into this initial pullback area, the 750s. Do we get continuation here, or are we going to keep breaking to the lows? Thanks, Goop. Goop, 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 goop. Let's go, Mala. Goop, 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 goop. We need 2 points with 1 micro, $4, and we're in the funded stage, hopefully. Hopefully they give us over the buffer. Again, I made $70 over on Tuesday, 80 over on Wednesday, and now 70 over today. But hopefully that's okay. Hopefully that's okay. Don't put it like, you know what? That's okay. We forgive you. I'm like, oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Pretty gnarly rejection there on the hourly candle, and what a weird close. Completely dojiing after getting the volatility up into the 960s there. Huh. Crazy, weird, wild. Wet, wild. Trade mode's off here. All we need is 4 points. Do we just get in? 720s, finding some deeper selling. Pretty interesting doji candle already trying to form here. W's. Double W's. Max, teach me your ways, son. Daniel, son. You are the way of the water. You are the way of the water, son. What a candle volume there. Pushing back to the lows. That kind of tells me full reversal possibilities. I mean, that is no joke. Giant selling volume. That's one of the most we've seen on the entire day. Coming back in towards this opening print volume. Do we get lower now? Sweeping through this premium spot. I mean, this is insane to see. Sellers completely inverting that move, guys. From the 960s, 15 minutes later, down into the 680s. 270, 80-point sell-off there within 10 minutes. Insane price action today, family. These are the days to get paid. 50% retracement done. More downside coming, I think. I think so too, Queen. Very possible. 10 more legs, baby. If you guys are in here showing some love, go ahead and show some like to the love button. We need 30 likes per stream is our goal. There's 30 of you watching right now, so if everyone in here show some support, we can get over our goal. Took that short from the 920s to the 820s. Let's go, Max. I inverted you. I took the long from the 820s or the 920s into the 830s. Makes me think we're going to go see the lows. I mean, we're all the way back into the 15-minute range. I feel like we could see the break of the bottom here, but I don't know. Obviously, we don't know what we don't know. Just feels a little heavy. Feels a little bit heavy. Sell 5 at the 51s. See if we can get a fill. Safer entry might be like these 40s. I should probably just take a page out of Max's book and mark it into this. Hit market order. I just hate markets. I'm not good at market orders. They make me feel like I'm being impulsive. Just one mini and done. That's all you got to do, King. Same thing. I did 2. I would expect anything less, brother. Nice trade. Thanks, bro. How you looking today? Small little buy. Small little buy, he says. When I'm trying to find a sell. How you going to do me like that? I haven't had an account for a bit, but overall my day isn't too bad so far. I play cornhole as a hobby, and tonight's my night of the week to play, so I'm a little excited for that. I have an account. Let's go, Sausadelic. You're going to put some cups in, you're going to put some bags in the cup is what I know. That's what I know. Come give us a VWAP or an EMA entry up here. Trying to hold this low. Feels like we could try to double bottom down here, but I don't know. We only need 2 points, NASDAQ. Can you just give me a little market in? A little market in up here. I mean, a little flash of 734s before we go take out that low. In a massive slump for the last month. My game has been so bad today. In a massive slump. Hey, you're just getting adjusted. You know what I mean? Getting that arm, putting all that rust off. That rejection was something serious. I need 150 to pass to finish my payout, but I think today just ain't it. Funny that I used to use the obvious move to pass a combine. I'm dead. Hey, it is wild rejection up there, Queen. So you're okay for feeling that way. I'm also fine. Like, I don't want to poke this thing. This thing is a little gross right now, but the volatility's there. The paychecks are there. Just got to do our thing. That little market buy with 1 micro. Little market buy. Little market buy, he says. I want to market sell, though. I want to market sell to the lows. That's what's getting me, Maxi. We're on the different side there. So stuck in my head lately. Why? What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about, King? Let that go. What could you possibly be thinking about? Just swing that bag like you do a million times. Just let that arm roll, baby. We're going to get some volume to the lows here. Just did it for you on my account. Oh, no, Max. Give me 46.75 so I can be done. 46.75. Give it to him. Take out the lows. Looking for an EMA touch. I'm doing it.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh my God, same price. I just don't want to be too over.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, enough. Jeez. Ooh, he's scared. Little bye tie. Let's go, Maxi. Little dollar holla. Come on, family. Then there's this little thing if you don't think. Trailing. Let's go on Anwar. Hope you have a good trade. Then there's this little thing. If you don't think enough, you're not locking into your throw. If you go in not caring, it always makes you throw bad. There's a nice balance. Alcohol helps, but can't. That's probably true. You're probably so used to throwing like a little bit of tipsy. Make a dollar holla. Come holla. Come on, Maxie. Tomorrow we ride. Indeed, Corey. Tomorrow we ride, and we have a stellar start to the week, or these accounts. All right, I'm out. Was waiting for you to pass. See you all tomorrow. Let's go, Queen. I'm so proud of you. You're trading amazingly. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll be doing it again for Friday. Take it easy, Queen. Guys, can someone tell me? I just bought a Lucid Flex account, and Tradeify tells me to buy a $10 subscription to be able to connect it to TradingView. Is there a way to access real-time data without it? You can't trade on TradingView with it, but you can use your Tradeify. So if you since you bought the account, King, go right into your Tradeify. I download the app itself, and you can use the browser, but I prefer the app. And then this is all real-time data, and you can connect your account into your Tradeify, trade from there, real-time data. If you want to see it on TradingView, you do have to pay for it. Bye, Danny. Indeed. Family, there's 36 people watching. We need 30 likes for our goal stream, for our stream goal. If everyone in here shows some likes to the love button, we can go ahead and smash it. TP hit. Let's go, Dave. Way to rally back after tilting, King. Thanks, man. I'm going to try it right now. Of course, on G. Of course, my man. One account is 67 over, so I'm going to lose 7. I'm $3 over, right? But I made 70, 80, and 70 over my buffer. How is that going to look in the Nasdaq's eyes? I don't know, right? All right, I just don't know. Let's look at it like this. Let's look at it like this. If I do 9,000 divided by, actually I'll do 9,003. That's what we got. 9,003 divided by 3682, which was my biggest day. Oh, no, it's the other way around. I'm 3682. 3682 divided by 9003 is 40.1. This is 40.8%. 0.408. 0.408%. So if they round that up, it's like almost 41%. I wonder if they're going to let me through with that. Interesting. It's going to be really close. Does Tradeify have same-day activation, or do you need to wait till the market open? I need to wait till market closes for them to pass me, and then tomorrow we should be maybe there. I made 40% 3 days in a row. After losing 2,000 on that first day, I made 40%, 40.1%, 40.4089. Oh, so close. They might round me up and be like, you made 41%. We're going to find out. Hope it for you, brother. Me too, Maxie. There's the new lows. Complete inversion of the highs after sweeping through that premium pullback. Had a crazy pullback. And now we're just all the way inverting it again. Sellers are clearly the dominant. Sellers are clearly the dominant right now. Kind of feels like it's easy markets, guys. All you got to do is find the sell button lately. And now we're just going to keep stretching the lows, I believe, into the 620s. What actually happens at the 620s, I don't know. Heading out now. Congrats on the win. See you next week. Take it easy, Maximilian. See you next week, brother. Good trading. Hope you have good luck tomorrow as well. I'm out. You out of the stream, or you out for the day, or out for the charts? 3K, 9 micros. Oh! Pat Will. Come on, King. 3,000 with 9 micros. My man is leveling up, trusting the charts, and crushing the pays, baby. Love seeing that. I can't imagine they would round up when you technically stayed within the rules, yeah? I don't know. It is 40%. I mean, it's 40.40%, 0.89. So is it 41% or 40%? It's close. Pat, though, my mans. Let's fucking go, King. Love seeing it. God, that's sexy. Yeah, I mean, we came down into this spot where I was interested in at these 620s. Now, do we get heavier through here? If we do, it feels like we're going to go targeting these 400 whole number, which, again, the jump from 6 to 4 feels pretty dramatic. So maybe we're in a free fall till then. Feels like we could be. Here come the 600s. NASDAQ down 1.5% again today after flashing almost green on the session. Wild. Into the 600 whole number. 2 L's and 1 banger to bring it back. That's trading right there, baby. Big BBNW all the way. All the way down. Let's go, work. W's. Love y'all showing love to each other. It's my fucking favorite. This is free money. Find the sell button. You're getting paid right now. Look at us ride this EMA down. We rode it up. Rode the EMA up. Rejected the VWAP. Rode the EMA all the way down. This is like free trading, guys. Gosh, if today could have been our first day of our fund days, we would have been paid, baby. Let's hope for the same type of energy tomorrow. We've had a stellar Monday, stellar Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Can we have another good day today? That's what I want to see. Tomorrow, I mean. Cannot wait to copy trade that. Oh, he's starting. I love it, Pat. Real progress, real time. I love it. This is insane. It literally feels like all you have to do is hit the sell button. 174 points. My goodness. What a slapper. And that is just going to continue to compound, King. You're getting better at holding your positions, letting the charts play out, trusting the moves. God, that's so encouraging. You're inspiring me, Pat. Everyone winning as well, it looks like. Absolutely, bro. We're all eating. All of us are eating. To be honest, I'm not going to, not to say it's easy, but this is nice price action. Straight up, rejection at VWAP, straight down. Like, this is, all you have to do is hit sell from 961s into the 570s. We're down 400 points. This is 400 point sell-off. Like, you can't even make that shit up. There's a 400 points right there to the 60s. Yeah, I mean, that's just, you can't even make it up. 400 point sell-off, family. And we're just reaching lower. These feel like the days where you can really get paid. God, I wish I had my fundage right now. This is just going to be a blood slide to the lows, I think. Personally, I see it. Just a bloody slide to the lows. Ewy. Ewy cucking nasty bad. Like I said, if you go look at the daily chart, we have some liquidity down below that we could be targeting. What a daily candle, though. Excuse me. I feel like these 500s are going to be a spot. Maybe the 420s. 500 to the 420s, I think, is where we could be heading. Man, Monday's high, guys. This was technically Tuesday's high. Oh, no, that wasn't. Technically, Tuesday's high was here. Tuesday high was 26,031. Insane. 1,500 point sell-off. Little retest from these 550s up into the 650s. A little relief bounce. Feels like a free short. Feels like a free time to load up on the shorts. If we had our fundage, I don't 100% would have shorted VWAP, hit max on the long with you. Would I still be in? Hell no, but this is beautiful. Exactly, Corey. I wouldn't still be in, but we would have hit max payouts. Would have easily rode that thing down to where we wanted to see it. $6,000. I would have just got, oh, it's encouraging is what it is. FYI, Lucid gives you a $60 cushion on a 50K and 180 on the 150s. Yes, Tyler, you're going to have to trade tomorrow. How much did you make each day of the last 3 days? Made 30. What did I make? Let me look. We made. So right now I'm at 69%, but that's after today. So I made 5,300 plus today. So if I go to my V details, 3674, 3682. And then today we did 3675. So 36.75, 36.82, 36.75. That to me sounds pretty consistent. How are you not going to let a brother eat when that's consistent like that? You know what I'm saying? I like a short here as well. Just pulling back in the bottom of the 15-minute range. It does feel like it's a free opportunity. $60 cushion. I don't know. I like a short here as well. I need 250 to hit my 1500. TLR. Be patient, King, and find the sells. Feels like free selling right now. You think Top Step will pass me if I hit 1750 tomorrow? I don't think so, King. No. I would try to get closer. I would try to make that 250 now and then make your 15 tomorrow, just to be sure. I think that might be a little bit too much over the consistency there. I don't know, but I think. We don't know what we don't know. You probably have to make like $80 extra. Oh, I'm going to be so pissed, Dave. If I don't get to trade tomorrow, I'm going to be so fucking pissed. If I don't get to make money tomorrow, especially if we get clean price action and they make me trade one more day at $80 on a $9,000 account, I'm going to be mad. My God, I'm going to be so upset. You already just made me think that I am. It's 40%. It's 40%. It's 40.8%. 40.89%. Is that 40% or 41%? Is 40.89% 40% or 41%? How does Tradeify view that? Because I already did the math. My highest day is that. I'm down $1,000 on 2 daily payout fundeds, and I'm up $800 on one of my 50K's 3-day pass account. Laugh my ass off. That's tough, D. Very common, King. Some reason XFAs are a little bit harder, but baby, just find some shorts. Find the sell button, King, and you're going to get paid. Just be patient. I mean, this thing has been free up, free down. We went directly up off of support into the VWAP, rounded out, couldn't push through, had a one sweep of the 15-minute range, which is a classic rejection of the 15-minute range, by the way, guys. Completely perfect execution of the 15-minute range. Pushed up, started going sideways at the top. One more candle spike to go push through the top of it. Rejected. And from the rejection, you could target the other side. Classic. Bang. W, brother, you come back. You better come back, King, for sure. What's your love? Oh, wait, you might be okay. Just wait for the dashboard to update. Got it, boys. Let's go, TLR. Wait, you got that 250, King. Let's go, TLR. Just wait for the dashboard to update. Oh, wait, you might be okay. I might be okay. I might be okay. I made my highest day was 36.82 of the 9,003, which means my percentage is 40.89%. They're going to decide. I think because the amounts are within like $4 of each other, you should still be within the consistency. It's going to be tight, Dave. I think so. I mean, I think so. Making 36.75 twice in a row and then 36.82 once. Come on. That's consistent as hell. Right? Tradeify? Right? Tradeify? Right? Tradeify? This is definitely the most chill stream on YouTube. There's always like 20 people on here. Everyone's super positive. Rob, absolutely, King. We're just showing love, trying to get better as a community, as a family, picking each other up when we need it, helping each other through setups, helping each other through the emotional baggage of trading. At the end of the day, that's mostly what it is, psychological. I'm not tilting anymore this week. No, you aren't, King. Not at all. Tomorrow, you're going to close the week strong with one more nice day and the week green. And then we're going to roll that momentum into the next week and just be sexy. W's on passing the accounts, Ty. I appreciate it, Pat. W's on you hitting a 170-point trade, making 3K with 9 mini micros. What a king. You're going to get paid on these. I think so too, baby. We've been trading real good, and the market's been providing. That's why I need tomorrow to have my accounts. I feel like tomorrow's going to be a payday if they give us our accounts. Just the way that the markets have been moving lately. But we'll see, of course. 5 more likes, baby. Come on. If y'all are watching and have not shown any likes to the love button, go ahead and smash the thumbs up. Let's get the 30 like stream goal. Y'all been on top of it lately. Do you have a spreadsheet where you have your profits and expenses? If you don't mind asking, G, I do, yeah. I have a spreadsheet to track how much I spend and how much I'm making. That way you can keep your taxes easy, keep the mindset clear, and just knowing what you're spending, what you're making. I recommend all y'all are doing that. If you're spending money on props consistently, you should be tracking them. If I copy trade 2 funded accounts at 150K combines on Tradeify, and I put it in, and I put the risk management to profit, and I put the rest management to profit target, risk management on 1,000 on a 50K, will it stop itself? If I copy trade 2 funded accounts and 150K on a Tradeify, and I put the risk management to profit target, risk management on 1,000 on a 50K, will it stop itself? If you're copy trading a 50 and a 150, is that what you're asking, D? So if you're trading a 50 and a 150, then you set your profit target for the 50, will it get out? I don't think so. I think they're going to copy wherever your execution is. Well, so if you close your trade on your 50K, it's going to close on the 150K. You would have to manually close them. You'd have to separate that. You can enter in the same position with a copy trade, but you'd have to turn it off and exit them as separate accounts. Otherwise, they're going to still be following each other and take out the same exits. I think is what you're asking. Yeah, I'm proud of my trading recently. 0 motion, and I'm making more and more points. That's the thing, King. That's how you really progress. Detach, like you've always said. Detach, and the rest comes. You're crushing it, Pat. Damn, sorry. Series sucks. It's all good, King. I think I got you. What's the payout on these accounts? $2,500 per account over the buffer per day. Hypothetically, $12,000 a day if you're crushing. Are you profitable yet? And if yes, how much, if you don't mind asking? Yeah, I'm profitable for 24 and for 25. Not for 26 right now. How much? I don't, let me look. I do not know. Let me take a peek. Let me take a gander, my friend. 24, we walked out with 3,000. I spent total $12,000 and 100 on prop expenses, and I made 15,900. So I walked out with 3,800 profit on 2024. 2025 was a bit bigger all around. So I spent 44,400. And I made 88,000, so about 44,000 profit there. So we're like 47,000 in the green. And is that actually counting my? That actually might be wrong, to be honest. I don't think that counts my Tradeify payouts. So actually, I think that's wrong by like $9,000. I actually think I made 90. Damn, I had that wrong. So I made 9,700 in 2025. So I made 53,000 profit. So I'm 56,000 in the green. And then this year I'm down 51. So about $50,000 profit from prop firms. If I copy trade 2 funded accounts with my 50K account combine, and I have a risk management on the 50K account to stop point. If I copy trade 2 funded accounts with my 50Ks a combine, and I have a risk management on the 50K account to stop at 1,000. I don't think so, King. That's what I'm saying. I think no matter what, if they're all being copy traded, they're going to get out of the same position unless you exit them separately. W, 12K payout coming. I hope so. We'll see, Pat. W, man. I appreciate it, LNG. How long did it take you to become profitable? Still a sell, or do you think we are exhausted? Sabrine. I still think sellers. You can clearly see the resistance. Very much will just be joining the selling momentum. Have a tight stop. Have a stop above swing highs and trust the selling. It took me, I think it was 5 months, truthfully, on G. And that was me trying pretty much every day. 5 accounts at the start. I was always spending 5 accounts. Yeah, and I went down like $12,000 in drawdown, and then I made an $8,000 payout, and then I had another payout right behind it, and then yeah, I ended the year strong on that 2024. So it was about 5 months for me to get profitable, and I was trying every single day with the same setup, same time frame, same setup. Okay, because Top Step lets you do that. Yeah, I don't know. because the top step, you can close them manually, right? Have to get back to a meeting, but just want to say congrats to everyone who got that money today. Tomorrow's a new day. Trading for freedom, baby. Let's go, TLR. Trading for freedom, King. Tomorrow is a new setup. Let's fight what we can do tomorrow. Enjoy your rest of your day. Appreciate you for stopping by. Enjoy your work meeting. Hope it goes smooth, King. It stops on individual accounts. I'm not sure. I mean, I guess I don't know, D, so I guess what the thing to do is just try it, King. Everyone is different, but it usually takes a year or two on G. Some people, it takes less years, and some people takes less and some people takes more. I agree, Pat. Everybody's completely unique in their journey, in their experiences. Completely unique. I also had some trading experience prior to starting, right? So, and again, I think the biggest thing about trading is just your emotional regulation. Can you handle the progress in the process of progress, the pain of growth, the sitting through the turmoil, not FOMOing in, having the discipline to actually take good setups and not strategy hop, trust your setup to play out over time. Like, these are the things that you need to get good at, and some people can just learn that a little quicker. Strategies are not hard to learn, but becoming profitable is mainly psychology and experience and being able to execute your strategy. 100%, Pat. 100%. It just requires you to master your mindset. 1,000%, King. Every single buy candle is a sell opportunity right now, family. Every single one is getting smashed. Every single buy candle is just being crushed. We have not been able to get above that EMA. Look at the resistance there. Wicks are popping up easy. Like, this is almost free trading, in my opinion. This is so free today. Hope everybody makes a bag. Just completely stuck below the EMA, taking out new lows. Free payday, free payday. Take advantage of it, family. Let's have a little payday on these accounts, huh? Man, it would feel nice. Thanks all for your insight and help. Love you guys. Love you too, brother. Of course, King. That's what we do here. Pick each other up. Help each other through the moments. Another test of the EMA. Another attempt towards the highs, but sellers are probably going to keep slapping it. W-Day always work. Thanks for being a part of it, showing love. Thanks for everybody that's always showing love. Our traders are getting better as a community. I could see it. Today we all ate. It's just so special to see. The progress that we're all experiencing as a community is insane. It's not just us. It's not one person eating. It's everybody eating. 4 more likes, baby. I love it. Y'all are the best for showing support. We have our 30 like stream goal. We're at 26 out of the 30. If you guys are in here and you haven't yet, show some likes to the love button. Let's get that smashed. Truly means a ton. I appreciate every single one of you guys. Finding a little bit of resistance now at these 600s. Still think it's another sell opportunity. The way we keep wicking it. This is free money at the end of the day. Free money Friday. Free money Thursday, I guess, today. This is the day we did it. Free money Thursday today, supposedly. Can we get some extension now? W's, 30 likes, family. Hey, whoever finished us there and got to the last 4 to step over the finish line, y'all are incredible. Thanks for joining this community. Thanks for showing love. Can we get above these 6s, or are the NASDAQ just going to continue pushing lows? This feels like free trading, guys. Sellers have just been completely dominant. Look how aggressive the VWAP is curled down now. The sellers are just easy to take this thing lower. Buyers have no chance. Every candle being crushed. 612s to the 7. It was a 40-point candle right there. Just this candle alone is 40 points. Big dollars being made, family. Easy, easy, easy. Easy money to be made today. Trust the setups. Trust the sellers. Just join them. That one rejection candle coming up through those sixes, 40-point sell below the EMA now. Like, this is fairly free. Truly, free trading today. Like, this is free. Sitting exactly at the lows now at these 550s. Beautiful tap of bottom of the 15-minute range as well. Exactly. Came back up to test the bottom twice too, Pat. Came up, rejected. Came up again, rejected. Sellers. Sellers. Rejected. Completely went straight up off a support level. Rode the EMA into the VWAP. Had a perfect 15-minute range rejection. So he swept through the top of the range. Rejected. Had this next candle push us back inside of the range. Below VWAP. Continuation to the lows. Perfect 15-minute trade. 15-minute range trade. Rejection of the VWAP. Another retest at the bottom of the 15-minute range. Reject, reject, reject. Like, this is why we love the 15-minute range. This is why we love days like today where the market just respects your strategies. Pull one more before the end of the stream for your time, Pat. Pull it deep. Take it deep, King. Take that thing deep. I'm excited to get back in that world soon. I'm not going to lie. Nazi's been good to us lately. 100%, Pat. Like, today was a textbook day. Could not have drawn today up any better. Strong EMA ride to the top of the VWAP. Rejection at the VWAP. 15-minute range. Perfect test and break. Rejection. Break below the VWAP. Ride it down to the bottom of the 15-minute range. Retest at the bottom of the range again. And then that, even this trade, even if we just took this trade as 100 points. Even if we just took a rejection at the bottom of the 15-minute range, 100 points. Insane. Bitcoin getting wrecked. 67K. What a Ponzi scheme. Insane. What a Ponzi scheme. I would still buy, in my opinion. Morning, fam. Great to see you passing the evals. Sorry not showing up here. I was busy working on my algorithm. I'm happy with the result. I do 117% of capital today and gold from the open till now. That's insane, Amin. No worries at all, King. Do what you got to do, brother. We know you're here showing love and spirit. That's amazing. That's insane, Amin. Keep working on that algo. Brother, you've been on fire this week. Subs, we've been crushing, King. It wasn't even me today, though. I'm not going to lie. Everybody ate today. I think the market was free money today. Absolutely free money today. Perfect rejection of the final support level here. Pushed up into the VWAP. Rode the EMA all the way up. 15-minute range. Tried to break, hold the top of the range. Tried to break through VWAP. Tried to break through the top. Reject, reject. Next candle pushes us below the VWAP. Classic 15-minute range rejection. All the way to the other side of the range. We break through again. Have another retest at the bottom of the range. Reject, reject. Another 100 points there. Like, free trading today. This is why we take small losses in days like this. Everything is make up plus more. Exactly, GPT. Exactly why we just trade for the future. Trade for tomorrow, because you're going to get another opportunity. Never FOMO in when you're chasing a bad setup, because there's good setups. The market will present good setups again, and this today is sexy setups. Okay, then we all gooping. We're all gooping. That's it, Sobs. It feels good, too. Everybody's crushing today. Everybody was, I think most of us were green. Even ones that were red recovered green. So, which, I mean, it's not that crazy to think when you have a 400-plus point sell-off. All you got to do is find it. Like I said, classic setups today. We all gooped. I love it. I need days like this where we all just win. The market's free money today. Absolutely free money today. Look at us now. Even now, since 9:53, we've been completely stuck below the EMA. Cannot get above the EMA. Sellers are just slapping every single order. Like, these are free, guys. What we get tomorrow, I don't know, but man. Just insane. Excuse me. Thanks, King. After I finish, I will start your indicator. Just Just you will not use trading views, so I will try to make a Tradeify indicator. If you can make a Tradeify indicator, we'll definitely use that, I mean. Either way, King. A year or two from now, we will all be at a resort somewhere trading and winning. Absolutely, Pat. Feels great, doesn't it, King? That's the direction and the mindset. It's not going to be tomorrow, but it's going to be eventually. A year or two is a fantastic time frame to hold. Fantastic time frame. Buyers trying their damnedest to hold a little bit of resistance, but every single candle is being slapped by the sellers still. Are they going to get a little relief bounce finally? I would still have a lot of fear at that 650 price. W subs, lock it in. 2 more days for another payout. Oh my goodness, I almost missed it. I almost missed that magic, man. Come on, baby. You've been so steady, Sobs. You even said it yourself. You've been liking your trading lately. Ended up just being consistent with his XFAs. 2 days to a payout. The man is marching. So proud of you. Proud of all of us. We're gooping. Today, Sobs, make some money on this one, brother. Make some money on the day like today. Free money. Way to show work on G and work. Let's go. Way to show love. Like literally just 100 points back and forth like it's nothing right now. There's a 660 price sweep. Man, I cannot wait for tomorrow. If this is anything like this tomorrow, we're getting a payday. If this is anything like this tomorrow, we're getting a payday. Look at the volume. Buyers are trying. Are they actually going to get some love now? Proud for sure, Pat. Sahab, let's go. Super Bowl's in a couple days, my friends. Finally getting a little bit of a relief bounce. It's at least trying. Where do we get to? I don't know. Oh, what a day, family. Everybody ate. I love seeing it. Truly fucking feels amazing. Look at the rejection here at the bottom of the 50-minute range again. Like I said, almost every pull up into here is just a free opportunity. I'll dedicate this fresh upper decky lip pillow to you, my friend. 1000% sobs. Throw that in the chamber. Throw that in the old chamber. Tuck it in tight. Tomorrow, family, is Friday. One more day to end the week. Let's do our best to end the week strong. Same way we've been crushing all week. And then we have the weekend vibes. Cheers, brother. I'll throw a new one in for you. Let's go, family. Feels like they're trying to push a little bit up here, but I still think the 650s are a selling opportunity, possibly. Nasdaq's down 1.5% today. Insane. Just gross. Really, truly. Absolutely, King Status subs. 1000%. Market is blood red lately. This is free trading at the end of the day. Wish I had my XFAs to take advantage of it. I mean, look at yesterday. Like, look at yesterday. Same thing, blood in the streets. Look at the previous day. Same thing, blood in the streets. Look at today, blood in the streets. NASDAQ finding some longs, finally pushing through those 50s, back into the 700 whole number now. Where do we go from here? The little gremlin was up last night. Isla. She wasn't feeling the sleepy pie? Come on. She didn't grow up to learn to love that period more than anything. All we do now is seek time to hit the pillow. Like, please, I want to go to bed. And kids are like, no, please, I want to stay awake. It's like they don't get it. They just haven't figured it out yet. Like, trust me, child. This is what you want. This is the only thing that you want. Pulling up into the 700 whole number. Where do we go from here? She gonna learn today. You gonna learn today. Yeah, she won't even be able to help it. She'll be sitting there and just falling asleep at random moments. $4 points. You guys think the 700s are a rejection here, or are we going to keep pushing a little higher? NQ came perfectly into my 1 hour supply and tapped the 50% of my fib and dropped 409 points. Absolutely insane, bro. Absolutely incredible, Pat, isn't it? 409 points after giving us a perfect entry. Perfect entry. For me, my perfect entry was a sweep of the 15-minute range. Swept through the 15-minute range. Bank rejected it. This would have been our retest. Break through. Have one more try here. Take that short at like the 920s. Ride that thing down. Make goop. Make thousands of goop. Goop, 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 goop. Still can't believe 2 contracts, 2.5 minutes. We made 18,000. Man, I so wish we were on our XFAs today, baby. Golly. Tomorrow's a new day. Didn't catch that trade, but would have been a 0 drawdown. Next time in the future, King. You see it, you recognize it, you're getting ready for the next one. I love it. NASDAQ, you NASDAQ, you NASDAQ. Wild price action. Just wild price action. Kind of think the 700s another opportunity to find the shorts, honestly. Double rejection there. I would be probably looking for a continuation to the lows, just saying. Excuse me. Excuse me, mamma mia. $17. The 700s are just being completely rejected, like we thought may be possible. Now back below the 650s. Gnarly sell candle. I don't see this not continuing towards the lows. Feels like it's a free trade at the 700s. Man, today was so free. Oh! Can tomorrow replicate this, please? Please, NASDAQ. Replicate this energy tomorrow, please. Replicate the energy you've had all week, honestly. 34 likes is a W. Appreciate every single person that shows love on a consistent basis. Always picking each other up, being a part of this community. Look at that. Look at that. 700 free sell to the 600s. 100 points. 100 points in 2 candles. 100 points in 2 candles. Free money Friday, even though it's Thursday. Completely free. Kangaroo market tomorrow watch. I know, Sab. That's what I'm afraid of. Tomorrow's going to be shit because the last couple days, like today was so easy and such clean trading. Tomorrow's going to be ass, but I hope not. Manifesting the opposite. Manifesting some positivity, sitting out of the bad days, trading less and sizing up on these A+ setups is true trading. That is true trading, Pat. Not trading shit days, bad setups, not FOMOing in when the market's gross, and on days like today where it's just literally providing dollars, you can make your weekly, monthly, annually. Wow, chilling on my practice. Just took 2 NQ shorts right at this 85, up over 3,500. Why is this not real? Corey, you're telling me, King. Why? Why are we in a combine right now? Why are we not able to take advantage of this free money? This chart is just giving. Just giving. It's like, hey, you want to win? Here you go. Look at us. We're going to take out new lows here, huh? Just easy. Just easy trading. We're gonna go take out new lows here. Easy trading. At 85 entries clean, Corey. Excuse me. Jeez. Oh, yeah. Like, what does this market want from us? Like, what do you want from us, NASDAQ? What do you need so that you'll do this on a consistent basis for me? Please tell me, and I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay? Just tell me what you need, and I will do it so you can give me these opportunities on a frequent basis. Look, from the highs here at the 700, 130 points. Bink. Bink. Cake and easy. Absolutely cake and easy. Insane. Absolutely wild to watch, guys. I imagine we go take out lows here. Kind of want to see it. Kind of want to see it before we get off. Show me the love, NASDAQ. What do you know? We're back below the EMA, the infamous selling line today. Every tap of this EMA has been a sell opportunity so far. Broke through it a little bit here, but sellers immediately gave it right back to you. Every single tap of this EMA has been a selling opportunity so far. And now we're just hovering above this little low with the 550s. Feels like a break opportunity. Man. We're not going to always get set up chances like this today, so. Sucks not being able to take pure advantage of it. Is this the time we see new lows? You can see the suppression below the EMA. Feels like a free entry. Feels like a free entry. When are you eligible for another payout? You seem like you're pretty up. It seemed like I'm ready for another payout. You talking to me, Brom? We just got these accounts passed today, so tomorrow I'm going to be trading on some new XFAs, and so hopefully tomorrow we could get a payout technically if we make $6,000. If I make $6,000 in each account, we get a payout tomorrow, but we'll see what actually happens. We've been trading really well. That's the thing. We've been trading really well lately, so now we just got to get paid for it. You know? We've been making all these points in the NASDAQ, but we got to get paid for it now. I'm hoping tomorrow. Hoping tomorrow. If we get anything close to today for opportunities, whew, Tomorrow's the day. Look at that doji on the hourly. Came back up, dojied perfectly, and then seeked new lows. Kind of want to see a new low get taken out here. Kind of feel like we will. Oh, I thought you were past buffer. I wish. Yeah, we're at 159,000, so we passed these accounts, but all combine money, not real money. Sadly. Sadly, just combine fake dollars. Tomorrow, though, we're going to get over that buffer and take a payout, King. 100%. Tomorrow, we're going to get over that buffer and take a payout 1,000%. Did you go to your fitting? No, that's this weekend. That's this Sunday, Sobs, before the Super Bowl. And I don't think I'm going to go because I don't need new clubs. And I don't want them to try to sell me new clubs. I was under the impression that it was going to be a adjustment to my current clubs because it was a free fitting. And I could pay for that. I could pay like $100 and get them to adjust my current clubs, but I don't know. I still have a pretty shitty swing. So I don't want them to fit them to my like shit swing and then me like get better and then have to readjust them. So I don't know. Hopefully same, King. Tomorrow we're doing it, bro. I'm together. We're going to walk over there, King. Look at the rejection. Every single buy candle's a sell opportunity. This is free fucking money. Fuck. I want to be a part of it so bad. These are daily payout accounts? Yeah, Pat. These are daily payouts. So hypothetically, we can make 12K tomorrow, 12K Monday, 12K Tuesday, 12K Thursday. You know what I mean? Just keep racking them in, ideally. Never know what we don't know, but we could have a stellar little month on our hands. Never know what we don't know. Still got a lot of work to do. Gotta get over the buffer. Gotta have a good trading day tomorrow. Gotta start the account strong. Y'all got a big Super Bowl party plans or what? Not super big, but gonna be watching with my boy. Gonna have a good time no matter what. Get some good food. Watch the game. It's gonna be a good time, 100%. What about you? What you got going on, Sobs? Be patient with the fundeds and they will pay you. Patience pays. Look at the rejection of the EMA. My God, it's so free. It makes me sad. Why? Why can I not have an XFA today? We could have been trading all morning. Taking this trade. Taking the rejection trade. Taking this trade. Taking the 700 trade. Like, golly, man. Golly, man. And these are the days we pray for, family. Show me new lows before we get off. Gonna watch at work while using the golf sim. Oh my God, what a day, Sobs. Have a little beer and pizza with that day, and jeez Louise, King. We're gonna match Zaz and Wings free drinks. What'd I just say? Beer and pizza, my boy. Let's go. Sobs, that's a special. That sounds so fucking great. I've never felt so much FOMO in a chart that I can't, like, that I don't even, like, I already have past accounts. Never felt so much FOMO watching after this time period of this charts. This is just all free. I mean, it's not every day the hometown boys make it to the big game. Or is it? These lads would say different to you. They know how to pop it in there. They know how to show up when they need to, you know what I mean? All right, family. I'm going to go ahead and lock out today. Close out the day. I'm getting mad FOMO watching this chart. I hope the energy is the same. Hope this chart is the exact same as we get tomorrow. This is free money. Said, nah, this chop is not enjoyable. Tim, all you got to do is find the sells, baby. You know that. Every single pull into this range, sell that, and you're getting paid, King. Did you just get on these charts, Thomas? Actually, I'll give you a call. Stay blessed. I love every single one of y'all. Take it easy. Pray for tomorrow to be the same. Drink some sun. Get some water. Hug somebody you love. And let's have a fantastic day tomorrow, family. All right? I love y'all. Take it easy. Let's crush. Peace.